Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.